Pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London to see the Queen. Meow, meow. Hello dear children, I'm back with a new story. And the name of the story is Fluffy the Cat. One day, Fluffy was looking here and there in his house, and suddenly he saw a box, a gift box. Wow! A purple and a silver and a blue colored box. He was very happy. Meow, meow. And Fluffy opened the gift box. And what did he find? He found colors. Fluffy found red paint box and he was very happy. Then he found yellow paint box. Yay! Meow! Meow! Then he saw a blue paint box. And the last one, a green paint box. Meow! Meow! He was very happy to see all the four colors. Red, yellow, blue, green. Now he wondered what he wants to do with these colors. Meow, meow. He got an idea. He wanted to paint the walls with all these colors. Fluffy loved all the colors. So he dipped the roller in the red color and painted one stripe of red. Fluffy dipped the roller in the yellow paint box. He wanted to paint a stripe of yellow. He painted one stripe of yellow on the wall. Then Fluffy wanted to paint a stripe of green, so he dipped in the green paint bottle and he went and painted one stripe of green. The last bottle left was blue. Fluffy was very happy as the wall was going to be completed, so he dipped the roller in the blue paint and painted the last side of the wall with blue. Fluffy is very happy and so he wanted to call his friends to show his house. So one by one his friends came to his house and they were very happy to see the beautiful house. Fluffy's friends liked Fluffy's house very much. So, the house was the best in the cat town. Did you love the story, children? And I know you will love Fluffy too. So, let us understand what colors did he use in his house. Red, yellow, green and blue. So, these are the primary colors. Bye-bye.